the whispering dawn mist, beneath ancient oaks, the seers cast runes of fate. Odin's eye watches. The land itself chooses where the Longhouse shall rise. The gods have spoken. Golden mead spills into sacred earth, blood of the gods poured out in thanks. Warriors kneel low, whispering to hidden guardians, "Guard this ground, and we shall honor you forever." Harmony is sealed. Drum beats echo like thunder. The shaman calls mighty Thor. Hammer high, storm brewing. Lightning answers. Protection forged in the sky for the hearth yet to burn. Blade bites deep into sacred oak. Runes awaken with firelight. Wards against shadow, evil turned aside. The clan chants as one. The first timber is blessed, unbreakable. Seeds fly like golden rain. Women dance, calling Freyr's bounty. Fields shall swell, harvests overflow. Life surges where the Longhouse will stand eternal. Cold iron drinks sacred oil. Prayers rise to sky and forge. Grant us edges sharp as lightning, swings strong as giants. The axes awaken, ready to claim the forest's gift. Axes rise and fall in thunderous rhythm. Ancient work songs shake the trees. Honor to the fallen giants of wood. Every strike a sacrifice, every crash a vow fulfilled. Smoke curls like spirits departing. The druid bows low over bleeding stumps, herbs burning bright. Forgive us, wights of the wood. We take only what we must. Your gift endures. Oxen strain, ropes bite flesh. Massive timbers drag like conquered foes. A sacred march through mud and shadow. The bones of the house journey home. Firelight carves faces in the night. Logs rise, sorted by the Norns' precise weave. Precision is prayer, every piece destined, every stack a promise kept. River roars, blood drops mingle with water, each stone blessed crimson, unyielding strength pulled from the earth's cold heart for the foundation that defies time. Sickles sing through green flesh, women offer song to Mother Jord. Give us your skin to shield our kin. Turf rolls like living blankets, insulation born of the land. Feet stomp, hands knead, clay and straw become one under Loki's sly grin. Binding magic in the mud, walls shall rise, secrets sealed within. Fingers caress velvet green from ancient stone, soft moss for Freyr's gentle touch, whispered thanks in the mist. Nature's fleece to cradle warmth inside. Reeds bow to twine, bound tight as oaths. Chants wise for Odin's far-seeing eye. Shield us from storm and sleet. Golden thatch stacks high, roof of the coming hall. Spades bite deep, sweat flies like sparks. Thor's hammer rings in every thrust. The earth yields, trenches carved for posts that will hold the roof to the sky. Silver glints, then vanishes into darkness. Coins offered to underworld shades. Take this tribute, let no rot claim our pillars. The spirits accept in silence. Heave, ropes scream, war cries split the air. The central pillar rises, heart of the house thrusts skyward. The clan roars triumph, it stands. Water flows true along ancient wood. Horns level the beams, tears balance invoked. Not one crooked line shall mar the god's design. Sinew lashes joint to joint, no iron, only trust in craft. Ancient joinery magic tightens, the skeleton breeds, unbreakable under northern skies. Branches weave like the Norns' threads, women's hands spin fate into walls. Wattle grows strong, pattern by pattern, destiny takes shape. Clay slaps wet against weave, palms seal every gap, earth claims its own. The walls thicken, turning fragile branches into fortress.
Green blocks stack like emerald shields. Jord's embrace rises higher, insulation thick as a bear's hide. The house dons living armor. Stones rumble into place, runes carved fresh, endurance etched in granite, foundation forged to laugh at frost and flood. Ale arcs in golden rain, splashing living walls. Toasts thunder to the Aesir. May you stand through storm and saga. The house drinks deep. Rafters climb skyward, curved like dragon spines. Unified strength lifts them high. The roof reaches for Valhalla itself. Golden bundles unfurl, hazel rods pin them fast, layer upon layer, weatherproof crown forged by calloused hands. Green rolls over gold, Freyr's verdant crown completes the hall. Earth meets sky, the Longhouse breathes as one with the land. Blade circles opening the eye to the heavens, spirits of fire invited, smoke shall rise carrying prayers to the gods above. Garlands sway, horns fill with mead, the roof-raising blot awaits, joy gathers under the new sky of thatch. Massive slabs settle, cradle of eternal flame, the heart of the house is born, embers wait to awaken life within. Adzes sing, conning seats for kin and comrades, benches rise along walls, places for stories, feasts, and oaths. Runes bite deep into doorposts, protection carved in blood and wood. No foe, no shadow shall cross this threshold unchallenged. Serpent charm coils into earth beneath the door, ancient ward buried, evil turns back at the step forever. Iron strikes earth in every corner, Thor's thunder locked within, lightning itself shall fear this hall. Fresh fronds hang above the entrance, Freyr's green sentinel, evil withers at the sight, the door breathes welcome to friends alone. Stone axe slips into floor shadows, guardian against skyfire, lightning's rage turned aside by buried steel. Ale flows inside, offering to house spirits, dwell with us, watch over us, the walls listen and accept. Small idols rise, forebears carved in miniature, their eyes watch from the corner, bloodline unbroken, wisdom eternal. Besom whispers across earth, ill omen swept away, herbs trail cleansing smoke, the house is pure, ready for souls. Raven feathers twist in the draft, Odin's insight hangs above, thought and memory circle the rafters, wisdom dwells here now. Amber glows in hidden nooks, Freyr's warmth kindled, harmony binds family, hearth and heart. On the high seat, hand raised, tear binds the oath, truth shall reign within these walls, justice carved in timber and vow. Golden grains scatter, Sif's gift for abundance, floors gleam with promise, harvest shall never fail this hall. Fingers twist ropes into cunning knots, Loki's sly protection woven tight, tricks turned against foes, the house laughs at danger. Under silver moon the clan circles, final rite ignites, chants rise like wolves howling, the Longhouse awakens under celestial gaze. Blood arcs from the horn, life given to gods, flames leap higher, the Aesir drink deep, favor flows in crimson streams. Meat sizzles, meat overflows, triumph roars through the hall, laughter echoes, songs rise, the house lives. Final chisel stroke, master rune blazes on the beam, eternal guard awakened, no force in Midgard shall break this bond. Flint strikes, sparks birth flame, the eternal hearth roars to life, shadows dance, warmth floods every corner, the Longhouse breathes, it is home.
Skål!